Okay, so this company, LMJP, sent me this enzyme matrix dishwasher powder. We are going to put it to the test. I have a few things in here that I did not rinse very well on purpose to give it a true test. So I'm going to just show you ahead of time like what my dishes look like. I've got some stuffing left in here. This cup is like super murky looking. We use it to mix our mushroom coffee, and it just kind of always has this film on it. So let's see what that does. And then I've also got some knives down here, like remnants of Nutella on them. Oh, you can see. And sometimes that just does not come off with my homemade dishwasher powder. So we're gonna give this a try. It comes with a little scoop. So we're gonna get 1 scoop and put it in the detergent. Like so. And we'll check back in the morning. One of the reasons I love this company is that they do not use plastic, so they don't have those little pods for holding in the powder. And it says it dissolves 48 hours stuck on food and grime. We're going to test that. Removes tea, coffee, and water stains, testing that as well. 100% plastic free and ethyloxate free. So, some good naturally sourced ingredients, plant-based ingredients, a lot of different sodiums, sodium citrate, gluconate, minerals, and such. So here we go. We'll see you in the morning. Okay, here we are with the reveal. This ran last night. Here we go. Let's check the Nutella knives first. All right. Clean and clear. I do have clean hands, so I know I just touched that part of the knife, but clean and clear. That's good news. And let's check the cups up here. All right, so the brown yucky residue is definitely gone. These cups are on the older side, so I'm not surprised to see hard water stains. That's not going to go away, you know, with one product, but the residue from the coffee is gone, which I am very happy about because my homemade stuff was not cutting it for the coffee stains. So that's really great. The stuffing obviously cleared out very nicely. And overall, I'm really happy with this product. Coffee mug. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you this. Okay, so these plastic knives, love them. My girl uses them to cut her bananas, but my homemade stuff was not getting rid of that kind of like brown oxidized stuff that comes when bananas get left out. It was like caking on here, but that is not at all what happened. Oh, I'm so excited about that. So I highly recommend if you're looking for a plastic-free dishwasher detergent powder that actually does the job. This one's great. Give it a try. I do want to say there is a bit of a fishy odor that comes from the bag, from the powder, but I think that is just one of the ingredients is giving off a little bit of a fishy odor, but my dishes do not smell like fish. I just want to put that out there, being honest with you. It's coming from like this part of the bag. So just keep that in mind. It does a great job though.